Yeah, viewers all over the world. For some of you that are seeing me for the first time, Ogbuefi Ezeana, ugochitubelu na Oraifite, maọbụ ịkpọ m Akajugo. I'm an ancient high priest. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja ugochitubelu ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi rụkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazi m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission, bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist, I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị taa, n'oge awa nke eziokwu, isiokwu anyị bụ conquer fear and negative energies. Conquer fear and negative energies. Ihe nchọ ka nkọwalụ gị bụ ọ bụrụ na ị nọ n'ụwa kịta, ị conquer fear, then a negative energy. Ị marụ na ị na-eme onwe gị ka ị dị vulnerable to every attack. We are living in a wicked world where the survival of the fittest rules. Nobody is genuinely care about your well-being and your welfare. Greatness, you grab it. You don't wait for goodies of life to be served to you on a plate of gold. Nobody will ever do it. No spiritual entities will ever support that. You must make a work and grab what you can lay your hand on through your effort, but waiting patiently. Days have gone when we were told that the patient dog eat the fattest bone. I can tell you, in the world we are living now, the smartest dog eat the fattest bone. If you are waiting patiently to be served fattest bone, my brother, my sister, you will go hungry. If you set your goals, go for your goals and grab it. That is the only way forward. Believe in me, if you join us in today's program, you will learn a lot. I keep saying this, that what you don't know remains a mystery to you and not to all. Today, you are going to learn a new thing so that the bandage in your eyes will fall. Today, I want to tell you what you must do in this new era, new year, so that this year, 2026, will not be the same thing like 2025. A year you keep lamenting. I can tell you, the son of Nande na Achuaro. Kendi abihai genebanya. So I want interested in na ajaye na achu. Onwa obuna. Nke onwa January bidogo. Yeah, we are very important. I am a literature ajaye carry go 4 years now. We have massive testimonies. So I want to show you so he gave me a email token donation to the account number. If all there are 3 prayer requests, I get them an altar now to and go for no could be police in Kenya on wow. But see, Bazo, I then am repaying on my temple to other 20 of hours. The other to other boy, Messaraka. To a can see me. So I want interested. He gave me a chat him now WhatsApp. If all there are 3 prayer requests, make token to donation to the account number. WhatsApp number is 0805 7837672. I repeat 0805 7837672. Now let's proceed. Here can you come here? I been talk and kowalagi na what stop others and what stopped you last year, 2025, should not continue this year. And it's not enough for you to say that 2026 is 2025 if you did not match it up with action. I mean vibrant actions. And I am today can you explain what you have done wrong last year. And I'm here to admonish you to do it better this year. First and foremost is that you must defeat fear. Fear was mentioned in the ancient book 365 times. Meaning, nature wants you to be telling yourself, fear not, every day. Every day you must tell yourself, fear not. You must match it with actions. Enwere ihe na-etinye fear n'ime gị, and itinye fear n'ime gị gosiri need hypnotized, na manipulate gị. Somebody is somewhere manipulating you, putting fear. Fear is the cause of every downfall. If you're always scared of fear, you're scared, you always fear of unknown, it will be very difficult for you to succeed in life. So first and foremost, you must defeat fear. You must understand that fear bụ ihe nwere ike weaken your energy. Therefore, you succumb to the psychic powers. Let me give you an example. For some of you that will say, you know that that's an allegorical story mentioned in the Bible, where Jesus was walking upon the waters. Yes. And we were told that Peter, one of his apostles, saw him and was like, "My master, are you the one walking on the water?" He says, "Yes." He said, he demanded to come, and he was permitted. We were told, according to that story, that Peter began to walk upon waters. And at a point, Peter began to doubt. Fear held him down. He began to doubt, is it not me, ordinary Peter, that is walking upon waters? Immediately the fear set in. We were told Peter began to sink. I don't know what you are passing through, but I can tell you, fear, if you have not conquered fear, you have not started. And there's so many things trigger fear in you. Some of the things that trigger fear in you could be as a result of being manipulated. Someone somewhere is manipulating you, manipulating your destiny, manipulating your aura, manipulating your energies through so many psychic activities, which you surrendered to the person knowingly or unknowingly. I'm here to tell you that nobody can harvest your energy without you giving the person their password. It will interest you to know that every human being on earth has password. And without password, nobody can have access to your inner chamber, your inner source of energy. One way or the other, you permitted the person, you gave the person free access. There are so many ways people normally give access to people to manipulate them. First and foremost, you must pay attention, know the type of people you are dealing with. The greatest problem you are facing is that you refuse, out of your own ignorance, to pay attention to the spirit of discernment. Every human being should be making use of spirit of discernment. Spirit of discernment is that spirit that is in you. You have it. Only that because of your life actions and inactions, you made that spirit of discernment in you to be dormant. I'm urging you to activate that inner spirit of discernment in you. Your intuition, your intuitive perception, you must reawaken it. Because how you will know that you are living and as a awakened human being is when you activate their inner being. That your inner being will always pre-warn you of any pending danger ahead of you. But because of your lifestyle, you have really dulled your inner being and making that your inner being inactive. And because of that, you are no longer receiving pre-warning signs. That pre-warning signs is meant to always give you a red flag signal, and so that you will not be able to fall into temptation. But most people have dulled their inner beings, making them inactive. That is why they are always vulnerable. Their defense line has been pulled down. You are no longer having any wall of protection around you. And that is why it's very easier for somebody out there to manipulate you via so many ways. Check out the type of people you are keeping in company. Those people, what type of energy are they bringing to you? There are so many things, because we understand that so many people, because of hustling and bustling, yes, in today's world, they don't really have time for spiritual meditation, spiritual exercise. So some of those people, they're always on the move. But it's not always on the move that is important. What is important is that, what have you achieved? So because of people of this nature, the people in this category, we have formulated a kind of soap. Why I call it soap is that it contains about 28 leaves and herbs put together. But why we put it in a soap? So that you will be able to use it to wash yourself. Very important. That particular soap contains the roots, the herbs, the leaves, and other natural ingredients, including pure honey. Yes. So if you need it, let me know. However, there is some simple rituals you can be doing on your own. Example, whenever you wake up in the morning, or you go and have your bath thoroughly. Believe in me, before you see me coming downstairs to do morning program, I must have taken on my morning bath. That is pure ED. Nothing Jupiter will make me to come down and begin my daily activities without taking my morning bath. It's like a ritual. If you are permitted to understand what you are passing through while sleeping, you fought many battles, knowingly and unknowingly. Some battle is what you fought those battles and you wake up and notice that you really fought it at night in your dream. So what I'm telling you is that so many people, do you know, if I tell you, especially women, they are most vulnerable because of material things. I can tell you that modern women of nowadays, because of wrong throat, most of them has been harvested. Younger ones of nowadays, because of long throat for iPhone 16, Pro Max and rest of them. true for material things. Most of them, nothing is remaining. Have you asked yourself, why is it that these evil men that are going about moving around with so many kind of idolatries, including so many men known and called men of God? So much rascality. Their own is to live life of immoralities, sexual immoralities, because the sexual immoralities is the best way to harvest what you have, and they will keep harvesting what you have till it become empty. Nothing remains. Nothing remains, and nobody can have access to your honey pot unless you give the person full access. You agree with me? What is raining now? You are hearing on social media. Yes, you will see. Say this man is a man of God. You keep on getting ladies, married women, getting them pregnant, meaning that you have been sleeping with them without any form of protection. Do you think that he doesn't know what he's doing? He's doing it to almost the church members, both singles and unmarried. They have been hypnotized. They will know that this way, because especially you that are called ones, whenever they are coming to you, they are coming to you because of great destinies, great stars you possessed. That is what they want to take away from you. People that are being manipulated the most are called ones. They are coming closer to you does not mean that they genuinely love you and want to help you, no. But they want to help you to destroy you more. Because you don't know your worth. You don't know that you are a child of destiny. Ọtụtụ n'ime ndị mmadụ ejigo ha wee tie ebere ghasa ndụ ha. Onwe ihe a ya aghọta. And one of the signs you will begin to notice whenever you are being manipulated, that harvest to go, is fear. So if you are one of those people, man or woman, ihe dị bụ oke dị bụ ogene. Ụfọdụ ụmụ nwaanyị na-harvest ụfọdụ ụmụ nwoke, ụfọdụ ụmụ nwoke na-harvest ụfọdụ ụmụ nwaanyị. But the one thing they are very common in you, if you don't feel fear of the unknown, whether you are in Mwanya or in Alahola, you may feel that you are being manipulated or you are being monitored, or you are noticing cobweb unnecessarily. And when cobweb is natural, yes, but then when you a sign that all is not well for you to go and do the needful. Then morning notice now when negative oral, negative movement in around your room, you are noticing it. Somebody around you might be thinking that you are hallucinating, but you know what you are saying. You know what you are saying, but people around you will see that you are hallucinating. Yes, but something you know that your spiritual energies has been tampered by men of these highway robbers, evil men in the society. You will find them everywhere, but I will give you simple signs you will avoid. If you are being manipulated by God one, whether we are addressed as a priest, or we are addressed as a dibia, or we are addressed as a pastor, evangelist, name them. But they always interested in getting you down there. Now, and the one after the other, when this one is done, another one want to do. That always something Hannah fully make. Is that their great destiny they want to take away finally for you? Genuinely, they don't want to help you, but they want to take that little thing you have because of your carelessness. What am I saying? Don't allow any spiritualist, whatever name the person is bearing, to have access to you. Makandori. Most of them are manipulators. Most of them are manipulators using you to shine. And why you will know this kind of people, that they indiscriminately, they will always go after people that come their path. Be it a underage person, they are interested. Be it a married woman, they are interested. Be it a pregnant woman, they are interested. Be it an old woman, they are interested. So it will be down on you if only you pay attention. In fact, if the spirit of discernment is working with you, you don't need, you see the handwriting on the wall that this person is an evil person. Now, if the person has a ministry, he will be sleeping with all the choir members and all these choristers and everything, the altar guests and everything, causing scandals. It's not as if the person, why you know that this person actually is not mean. The person is not even willing to marry you. Is not willing at all to marry you. What the person is interested in is to harvest you. Is to harvest you. So what am I saying in essence is that pay attention, and you will still see other ones that are billionaires, they are millionaires, but they are not there to help you. What they are interested in is what you have. Their intentions, but because you have already suppressed the inner you, the spirit in you is not awakened. So you will not have pre-warned informations from your spirit forces. Because Ikego Mono, this new year, don't allow what you repeated last year to continue. What you should be doing now is how you can restore your destiny and collect them back. It's possible. If you can come across somebody that knows it, knows the operations. What I'm expecting from you this 2026 is not to continue on the wrong path. Is to begin a war of bringing them back. You have to wrestle those powers and recollect your destiny back. But I can tell you, anytime you discover you have wronged in the past and begin to walk, have the intention to recover what you have lost in the past, then we will help you. On your toilet in the you must always do the needful. So whenever you notice this darkness in your house, sometimes it will, or that God can stand at a strong go to death. They have been manipulated. Just about ugly sleeve, more only get what ugly sleeve. You get one like 5 branches. Use it to cleanse your room. Cleanse your room. Go and watch my previous videos. Even because you go to see what ugly sleeve. Yes. A branch of it will cleanse your room. Use it to cleanse your room. Open your doors wide open while making that declaration. After that, look for a pinch of salt, sprinkle it in all the corners of your room. Then use alligator pepper, 4 seeds. Make declaration. Drop 4 seeds in each corner of your room. Be repeating this every 7 days. Believe in me, before you do it 4 consecutive months, weeks, you will notice that the thing is normal. If you are facing this kind of challenges and you want to be liberated, chat me on WhatsApp. I will help you. The war we are facing is not physical, and the power that is wrestling you, fighting for your destiny, they are there just to render you useless. You must always protect what you have. Anybody that did not protect what he have, the person is useless. The person is a careless, carefree person. As is duty of the government to protect the citizen of a nation, that is why it's also your own duty as a human being to protect yourself. Ndị Igbo na-atụ n'otu na onye Chukwu na-azọ n'azụ onwe Nwachukwu ịgbakwa na nkịtị. Government na-protect the entire citizen. Gị nwa na onwe gị as an individual should protect your own self from these destiny harvesters and the energy exchangers. Nobody will do it for you. It's here for your personal protection. Do everything you can. Keep protecting yourself. Cherish your God gift. Magana, if you do not cherish that your God gift, I got another government one can die well. No. Don't be careless with the gift given to you. If you are careless, if you don't work, you notice that you are a very careless person. You don't even appreciate the gift given to you by Chukwu from time immemorial. Gift he gave to Nandua. Onye choba enyi onye kene na nke emeri emekwari ọzọ. You cannot develop your inner powers, inner gift, if you did not appreciate your calling and work very hard to protect what you are given. Then supernatural forces will add more grace, more gift unto you, because you protected what was given to you. But if you are a carefree person, you don't care. You give your password access to everybody, all the dick and Harry. Then I got nobody cares. And I can tell you, nobody can have access to you if you do not make yourself vulnerable. Your inner grace. If the person did not have access to your password. So, know who you are releasing your password to. Anybody you give access, I submit, I accept. At that particular moment, you have given the person access to yourself, your energy. Don't you know that during sexual intercourse, you are exchanging energy with somebody? By the time you accept the person to go down with the person, you have already accepted to exchange energy with the person. So if it's negative person, you begin to manipulate in your life. Because you can work it out. Some of the people will tell you that since he began to date a particular person, he began to experience so many things, negative things. Some negative things will be coming to them via sickness, or via negative dreams, or via bad luck. But some people don't even pay attention to ascertain where their problem is coming from. So some of those things you are running from pillar to post, from one dibia to spiritualist, you are the cause. Had it been your inner self is awakened, you would have known where your problem is coming from. There was no smoke without fire. So what I'm telling you, advising you this morning, is to discover where your problem is coming from. And that carelessness of lifestyle you exhibited last year, please and please don't repeat them this year. To avoid losing ihe. These people are manipulators. They are everywhere. They don't genuinely love you. They will not even teach you how to fish. They want you to depend on them. They want you to depend on them full time. And they can only have access to you because you permitted them. Make sure you cleanse yourself as soon as possible, especially whenever you have anything in exchange of vibration with anybody. Whenever you have any kind of carnal knowledge with anybody, make sure you cleanse yourself. Very important. Make sure you cleanse yourself. Whenever you have any carnal knowledge with anybody, go and look for 4 seeds of alligator pepper, put it in your bathing water, add a little bit of salt, then use it to bath. And make sure you are not jumping from one person to another. You must have only one sex partner at the same time. Ọ bụrụ ụbọchị ụkwa dara ka ọ na-ele, ị nwere ike isi m n'onwere ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ. These people are rich people, but they are jumping from Agnes to Teresa, from Teresa to Ifeanyi, and rest of them, but they are successful. I can tell you that some of these people you are seeing, some of them are that real manipulators. They are doing those things to catch out, but you don't know. Yes, those mumu that follows them to be doing that others name. No follow okay with man ọkọcha nwere n'ọma aka oke. That one name that thing. Go and look at their finances. They are going down. They are not growing, but for you, you thinking that they are growing. They are not growing at all. Even if the person is still name, the person will not reach the potential. Enwere ike na-asị na onye dị etu a na-aga n'iru, onye anyị na-aga n'iru abụrụ ịga n'iru, and ọ bụrụ ka okenye jichara abigara ebe bụ uche nọ. Ị nwere ike ị na-agbagharị, onye ahụ a na-eje na-ana, ụbọchị niile ewu ụbọchị nke onye ori, otu ụbọchị nke onye nwụrụ. Those energy harvesters, ọ bụrụ mmadụ niile ka ha ga-harvest energy ha. O nwere ndị ha ga-achị harvest energy ha ude jide agụ. Gị nwa na onwe gị na-asịzi ka ị gaa na ndị agara, ị ama ka ha ga-esi end. Ndị niile nwere ike mgbe ha ga-end enweta onwe ha n'otu ọrịa, maka ọ bụrụ mmadụ niile ka ị ga-eje ka ije na ihe adịdị mgbe n'Africa. Enwere ndị bụ children of destiny, they were protected. Whenever you have tried to harvest what make them tick, you put yourself in a terrible condition. And ma kwụsị ebe a. Inwe ajụjụ na nkụzi a, chat me on WhatsApp number 08057837672. I repeat 08057837672. Let us pray. Ekwere m na Chineke, ekwere m na ọ dịghị ihe siri m ike nke Chineke na-apụghị izi m ụzọ m ga-esi lụgbuo ya, n'ihi na ọ mazuru ihe niile. Obi m siri ike na Chineke emeworo m ya, ya gazie. May the blessings of Chukwuoke pụrụ ime ihe be with you all. May you be protected, may you be favored now and forevermore. Ya gazie, udo dịrị unu.